Would you like to be in a video? Yes, as someone who spends all their money on the most interesting things, I came up with a fun experiment. Could a total stranger actually spend all of my money? So everything you manage to buy in 1 minute, I will pay for it. Time has started. Come on, faster. But she doesn't even know exactly how much money I have on the card.
I can really take anything at all.
And at first, I was completely calm.
A new box of cookies for 77
But after 10 seconds, she found the electronics section. Miss, why are you taking so much?
I actually have a
It seems I made a mistake. She was constantly checking the product ingredients, but I was sure about the cheese snacks. Coffee, cola is 89. You have 20 seconds.
Wait, I'm grabbing the new rolls.
And when there were 10 seconds left, the most unexpected thing happened. Ice cream.
It's favorite. Sciatago.
5 seconds, run to the check. And now we'll find out if she managed to spend all the money on my card.
That is 8,588 rubles.
You had 100,000. I handed over my credit card to a total.
That's how it's done. How you doing? I can do this with my eyes closed. Messed up my night.
Let's rate my friend's night first.